The San Antonio Police Department saw 9 of its officers arrested this year, a 50% increase compared to 2024. The Bexar County Sheriff's Office saw an even bigger jump, from 7 to 14. Deputy Miguel Rodriguez was arrested in January after investigators determined he accepted a Cash App payment from an inmate's relative to buy Whataburger for himself and the inmate. Rodriguez entered pretrial diversion this fall and will get the charge dismissed from his record if he meets certain conditions. Deputy David Dominguez was arrested in February, accused of luring an inmate into fighting him at the jail. Dominguez is awaiting indictment for felony tampering. Charges of assault causing bodily injury and official oppression have still not been filed by prosecutors. Deputy Brandon Mejorado was taken into custody in Laredo after police there say he pointed a gun at the manager of a bar. Webb County prosecutors say charges of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon and unlawful carrying of a weapon are still pending. A BCSO deputy was charged with murder in May. Charging paperwork states Clemente Lopez Jr. opened a jail cell door and allowed inmates to violently assault another inmate, killing him. Lopez was indicted in August on additional charges, including engaging in organized criminal activity. All 4 of the arrested deputies have since resigned or been fired by BCSO.
You have the right to remain silent. You do not make a statement or override anyone.
SAPD officer Paul Fensick was arrested on duty in late July after his fellow officers said he drove a patrol vehicle while under the influence of alcohol. Body-worn camera footage shows Fensick arguing with co-workers before attempting a field sobriety test. Fensick faces a charge of DWI with an elevated blood alcohol content. Officer David McCall was hit with the same charge in August, a little over a week after sheriff's deputies said he crashed through a front yard in West Bexar County while off duty. Investigators found a 6-pack of beer and an unopened bottle of wine in McCall's vehicle. A toxicology report states McCall's blood alcohol level was .238, nearly 3 times the legal limit to drive in Texas. SAPD officer Richard Boyle turned himself into jail last month after investigators said he installed a tracking device on his estranged wife's car. Fensick, McCall, and Boyle all remain on administrative duty. Former SAPD Lieutenant Stephen Velasquez was indicted on a felony tampering charge in August. He's accused of accessing an internal affairs program and removing himself as an involved employee the night Melissa Perez was shot and killed by officers. Velasquez was previously handed an indefinite suspension for failing to respond to the fatal scene, despite being the highest-ranking member assigned to South Patrol at the time of Perez's death.
The 14 deputy arrests were the most for BCSO since 15 deputies found themselves on the wrong side of the law in 2022. You can watch the full story right now at KSAT.com.